Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, we are in Excel and I am working on a gradebook. This is a worksheet. So if I want to delete or add a worksheet here, what I should do? I should just go simply where the plus sign is. I will click here and it will add a sheet like that. I will just do a right click and it will add a sheet. When we do that, Excel gives this sheet a name. For example, sheet 3, sheet 1 or sheet 2. But if you want to add the name you want to add, you will just simply go here and you will say rename. Again right click and then from the menu you will select rename. It will highlight your sheet. You will press backspace button on your computer. That will delete the name and now you can type the name you want to type. For example, I want to say total grade. So now I have given this sheet the name total grade. I will now simply go on the save button on the top of the screen and I will save that. So here you go. Now let's talk about if you want to delete any of these sheets. What you will do? You will just go simply on the bottom of the screen again. You will select the sheet, right click and the menu will come and you will just select delete the sheet. It does not say delete the sheet, it just says delete and you will click on this and your sheet will be gone. So this is how you can add the sheet, delete the sheet and name your Excel sheet. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.